phrasal verbs. Super difficult, but this is a pretty easy explanation on how we use them. There are about 10,000 different phrasal verbs, or at least 10,000 meanings. So good luck with those. I'll post a link to my favorite website below. So just click on that and you can learn about phrasal verbs every day. But here we're talking mostly about their positioning, or if they have an object or don't have an object. So as you know, a phrasal verb is a verb plus a preposition. So sit down, go out, pick up, things like that. Anytime we have a verb plus a preposition or a particle, that's called a phrasal verb. And native speakers, we use those to change the meaning of some words or just to make you confused. Sorry. All right, so we're talking about phrasal verbs. Number one, some phrasal verbs have no object. So for example, the children sat down. The children sat down. I can say preposition on the floor or something like that, but the phrasal verb sit down doesn't need any object. So we have a subject, the children, and we have a phrasal verb, and that's it. So we do not need an object. The plane took off, right? We don't say the plane took off the ground. We don't need to say that. Take off also sometimes, and you'll see later, doesn't need an object. Or for example, if I use any type of imperative like watch out, I'm telling you to watch out, I don't need to add any object to that phrasal verb. Look out, something like that, I don't need to put any object on there. All right, so moving on to object. So there's actually two rules with an object. One object can't be separated. That means the phrasal verb, the verb and the preposition must stay together. We can't move them apart. So for example, I have to take care of my kids. So the object is here, my kids. I have to take care of them. I can't put this object anywhere else. This phrasal verb, take care of, is a three-part phrasal verb. Take care of has to stay together, right? For example, I need to look my dog after. I can't do that because look after must stay together. So I need to look after my dog. The object must go after the phrasal verb. Okay. Moving on to number three, these phrasal verbs have an object and we can separate them. So if you look at these examples, take off your shoes. The object is in the second part. Take your shoes off. The object is in the center. Take them off is okay. I'm using a pronoun. I'm replacing your shoes with a pronoun. It, him, her, something like that. And I can use take them off. Now, phrasal verbs with pronouns, the pronoun must go in the middle. I can't say take off them. This is wrong. This is not English. There's actually no number four. So there's three rules there. Take off your shoes, take your shoes off, take them off, take off them. No. Very, very common mistake. Turn off it, pick up him. These phrasal verbs can't be separated. Or sorry, can be separated, but can't be separated or must be separated if we have the pronoun. So I'll share the link to my favorite website down below. It will actually show you which ones take an object, which ones don't take an object, which ones can be separated, which ones can't be separated. So have a look at that. And if you like this video, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. So thanks for watching.